this is good time in Auntie's refrigerator. Now let's see what we can eat. Should we eat jam or peanut butter? Nah, those things aren't good. What's this? A remote control? How'd that get in there? You can't use remote controls in the refrigerator because what if it connects with this bread? It'll explode the whole house. That ain't good. Well, now, let's keep this remote safely with me. Ooh, a ping pong ball. I've never seen one in the refrigerator before. Well, I say this is the first time for everything. What happens if I hit this with the remote? Oh, that was so cool. Ping pong balls are amazing. Oh man, the ping pong ball is gone. Well, as you know they say, if you hit the ping pong ball, it'll never come back to you. This remote is very cool, but let's make sure to never see it in that refrigerator again. Remote control should never have been there in the first place. Well, you are knowing that remotes are everywhere.